Tired of editing Wikipedia anonymously and not getting credit? Create your account in just a few clicks. Follow these simple steps. Choose a username, set a password, add an optional email, and verify your account. All right, to get started, go ahead and click the Create Account link in the top right corner of the page. First up, pick a username. This is what'll show up next to your edits on Wikipedia. Now create a strong password for your account. Then confirm that password by typing it again. Optionally, you can enter your email address. This comes in handy if you ever need to reset your password. Finally, click the Create Your Account button to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.